Welcome back to our Classroom Without Walls. Today we are going to be making mud pie recipes. So for this activity you're going to need a couple of vessels for mixing in, so that could be a bucket or a standard mixing bowl. You will need some measuring cups and some measuring spoons. We're also going to need our ingredients. Now for this activity we want all natural ingredients. So here we have a variety of natural elements. Please, if you're doing this, make sure you're not picking any live flowers or live branches off of trees. All of these materials were found dead on the ground. Not least, we have our mud. It takes a lot less water than you might think to make mud, so I'd start off with the amount of dirt that you want first, and then slowly add water until you're at your desired consistency of mud. The mud will be like our batter, it'll be our base for the recipe. So step number one, we're going to decide how many cups of mud that we want to start off with. We've got our mud, and now at step two, we are going to choose what our other ingredients are. It's like things that might bind it together, sort of you would think like an egg or a banana or flour might thicken it. Different elements like a chocolate chip might be a gravel. So it's really yours to just create whatever you like. The only important bit is of course to mark down your measurements as you go along. Sometimes, you have to get your hands dirty and mix the dough. Oh, I'm going for it. Oh, gross.
Gross.
Yeah.
But
it's
that's your business.
Science.
If you want a mucusy pie, that's okay.
That's maybe what I'll call it. Mucus mud pie. That can be my title. Explore the mess, the wonder. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Got the crispy and folding using our ingredients. Oh, I didn't add gravel.